How to fix Google Play Games profile not loading. First of all, head over to your Play Store. In the search bar, search for Google Play Games. Move into this application. So right here, instead of open, if it shows update, then you need to update this application to the latest version. Most of the time, updating the application has fixed the issue. But if it still doesn't fix your problem, then in the next step what you can do is, first of all, head over to your settings. Move into apps. Tap on see all apps. Right here, search for the application Google Play Games, and then head over to it. Tap on storage and cache. You need to clear the storage of this application, so tap on clear storage, and then tap on OK. Clearing the storage will remove all the unwanted bugs from the application. Clearing the storage still doesn't fix your issue, then in the next step what you can do is to uninstall this application and reinstall it again. It will definitely fix your issue and you'll be good to go. So this is it for today, and this was a tutorial video on how to fix Google Play Games profile not loading. I really hope this video is gonna help you out. Thank you for watching it till the end.